Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Stag Voiceover. My name is Neil Glasgow. So, I wanted to have another one of these hints and tips and advice videos that I've been putting together. Quite enjoying doing them, and actually I'm getting a great amount of response from you guys who are watching, and genuinely I just wanted to thank you for that. And that's exactly why I wanted to do this particular video today. I've been contacted over the last couple of weeks about 3 or 4 times, just people asking me, look, I've seen your content, really like it, I'm starting out, would you be interested in helping me out as a vocal coach for some of their auditions? And genuinely, for you watching who this applies to, I'm really flattered that you would contact me, and it's a humbling thing to have, so thank you very much. Now, I've responded to these people to say, it's not something that I'm currently offering at the moment. I don't have the bandwidth at the moment to be able to do that. But it did make me think of something very particular, especially for those of you who are starting out when it comes to vocal coaching. And it's this. If you're going to contact a vocal coach, there is one question that you must ask and make sure that they answer before you part with any money. How much money did you, as a voice artist, make in the last month, 6 months, year, 10 years? You need to make sure that if someone is offering you vocal coach services, they themselves are making money as a voice artist, not as a vocal coach. I'm not interested in what money someone makes as a vocal coach. I want to know what they're making as a voice artist. If I'm going to spend money with someone, and I do, if I'm going to spend money with them as a vocal coach, I want to make sure that actually they're in the marketplace as well. They are bringing their experience to bear because they are also still earning money and being hired as a voiceover artist. There are so many people out there who will try to take advantage, I'm going to use that term, of people who are new in the market and say, yeah, I'll help you. And the reality is what they'll do is what a lot of people do. They'll listen, they'll give suggestions, and they'll tell you, yep, that sounds great. And you might be happy with that, but it doesn't necessarily translate into you getting better. Now, I realise that this is a difficult thing to engage with, and the reality is that it is. Some of the best vocal coaches out there are really expensive. Some of the middling ones are just as qualified, but haven't got as big a reputation perhaps. And some new vocal coaches out there haven't got any of that experience, which is why I'm saying you need to find out what they've earned being a voiceover artist. To be a vocal coach, you really need to bring your experience of the marketplace to bear. And if someone was a voiceover artist and hasn't been in the market for years because actually the bulk of their business is vocal coaching, that's something that you really need to investigate. You know, a lot of these people out there that you see are offering 5-day courses, 10-day courses for just £1,000, dollars, yen, whatever. Join my class. Okay, what are you getting out of that? That you, as the aspiring voiceover artist, are confident it's going to change and improve your sound. And most importantly, your ability to get work and your consistency of getting work. What a lot of vocal coaches who don't do the right things will say is, this person came to me, hadn't got work in blah 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 time, and within 3 weeks they got their first gig. Now that's a coin toss. They may have had an absolute impact and helped that person get some work, or it could have just been luck of the draw. You need to look at the replicable and referenceable reviews and situations that these vocal coaches are going through. And like I say, I'm very flattered when people come to me and are confident in my abilities from the things that I've said to you on these videos, and if you've gone to my website, I'm always quite careful to not plug what I do. I certainly highlight my social media stuff, and my website is available for anyone who wants to investigate it themselves. But I don't use this platform to try and sell you something. And that's what you might find on some other vocal coach specific websites. Come see me here and I'll do a thing for you there. It doesn't matter what their overall service is, it's their experience that you're buying. So, to really labour that point, the one question that you need to get an answer to is, how much money have you earned in this marketplace? And if they say, I'm not willing to share that, you're not asking for bank details. That's the really important thing. I can look at my Upwork account and I can show you, without showing you any of my bank details or clients or anything like that, I can show you in the last 10 days I've earned $300. I can go to Fiverr and say in the last 3 weeks I've earned $1,000. I can do that because it's easy for me to do, as in the platform provides invoices, the platform provides even just a snapshot. I could take a screenshot of my account now and it'll show you earnings, and it won't show you any of the clients, it won't show you my bank details, where I live. There's no data on there that I can think of that I would be hesitant to show someone that I'm trying to sell my quality of business to. So make sure you do that. Be careful, as I've always said, where you spend your money in voiceover, particularly when you're starting out. The marketplace out there is absolutely flooded with new and aspiring voiceover artists. You may be one of them, and there's nothing wrong with that. You go do you. You get the jobs you want to get. Nothing wrong with it at all. But what people do is they capitalise on need. And when you're new and people can see a business need out there, just keep your thinking hat on and just be careful. And that's it. That's it for today's video. I hope this has been helpful. I hope this saves you a bit of pain and ultimately some money spent in the wrong place. And remember, you absolutely can be a voiceover artist. I'll see you in the next video.